Ah, dang, I forgot my gloves. Again. I gotta go back home. So I tightened this bolt on my shifter, and I might have did something wrong. Because now it seems like when I try to shift down, it gets stuck in neutral. I also tightened motor mount, a couple motor mount bolts, just because I still feel like, yep, you're an asshole. That's weird. I might have tightened that bolt too tight. I'm not sure. So one thing I've noticed since I've been riding a motorcycle is that it's actually made me a better driver. I think before, I think we all know to look out for motorcycles and stuff like that, but before, I never, okay, I didn't know what was going on with that car. Oh great, I think I got a bug in my helmet. Oh Lord. It is a little bug in here. Oh my God. Anyway, alright. So like I was saying, I feel like I've become a better driver by being on a motorcycle, just because there's so much stuff that I didn't realize. Because when you're on a motorcycle, your head is constantly, oh, this is cute. Look at this. Look how cute this is. Talk about being entitled. Anyway, like I was saying, it's made me a better driver, I think, because your head has to constantly stay on the swivel, and yeah, it's like getting stuck. It just happened again. Alright, I'm gonna have to take a look at that when I get home. I feel like that's a false first. I really do. But whatever. Yeah, so where's the bolt? Y'all let me know. I tightened this bolt and it's, I don't know. I have to play with it. Gotta go in this beauty supply. So church are going to homecoming today, and I gotta get her a couple more things. So that's why we're at the beauty supply. Hello. So now I'm on my way to go get Treasure's corsage, and also bought a little bouquet of flowers. Cause why not, you know? It sucks though, cause I need to use this GPS, but my dang on Bluetooth is turned off. Don't know why. Oh yeah, I definitely did something wrong, cause it wasn't doing that whole clicking thing before. Yeah, so I definitely think that I did something when I tightened that bolt. I'm gonna loosen it a little bit because stuff is clicking and clanking, and I don't know why. I just need to make it back home so I can get this girl off to homecoming. I'm just learning how to ride. Yeah. I only been riding 2 weeks. Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Y'all bikes look good. It's a little 250. It can't roll with y'all. Y'all have a good one. Alright, so I made it here safely. Thank you, Lord. I'm not at the right place. Is the furrow place here or next door? Oh, it's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Look at these flowers, y'all. So I got her a bouquet of flowers and her corsages down there. I ain't think this one through though. I hope this does not get messed up. Drive home isn't too far. You want to race, Copper? Cause y'all lane getting ready. Oh, you better be lucky you turned. Cause y'all lane was getting ready to end and I was not about to let him over. Damn, shit. That was almost bad as hell. Shit. I almost bust my ass. Real life bust my ass. Getting ready. Oh, so one thing that I've noticed since I got this bike, because I only got this bike as a starter bike so I could learn how to ride, right? So I only got this as a starter bike so I could learn how to ride. I ultimately want a 600. Don't know if I want Yamaha, Kiyosaki. Oh damn. One thing that I was like kind of, I guess you could say, insecure about is the fact that it's a Chinese bike and it's a 250. It's a clone. It's a replica. So for any of y'all who don't know necessarily what that means, like, you know how you can get a fake Louis Vuitton purse? Well, it's like getting a fake motorcycle. That's the best way I can describe a clone. But anyway, it's good for what I need it to be. But anyway, I was like a little insecure about like going to bike meets and stuff like that. Just because, you know, who want to get clowned, right? Dude, when I tell you, people stop me all the time to ask me what kind of bike this is. Like, all the time. Right when I was leaving out that store, the girl was like, oh, that's you right there? I'm like, yeah. She's like, oh, that bike is nice. I never seen a bike like that. Girl, I know you ain't never seen a bike like this before. But she's like, you know, one of many people who have done that, who have said like, oh my God, what kind of bike is that? Or when I go to the gun range, I had a couple older gentlemen stop me and ask me what kind of bike it was and, you know, what CC it was or whatever. But yeah, so I think that that's pretty cool. It is a nice, sharp looking bike. It's unique looking. It gives you the sport bike feel, a full size sport bike. Well, I maybe say like maybe this is like a 400 or like a 300 or something like that. But yeah, just goes to show, like, do what you want to do, like regardless of what people may think. Buy what you buy for you, do what you do for you. I think we all know that, but we forget sometimes.